But here's kind of what the other pages back here look like. These are all just scrap papers. Book page. I did the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, very easy. If you're not familiar with that binding, I do have a video on my channel, which I can link in the description. It's super easy and I go through it. Oh, here's definite scrap paper. There's like phone number or something. Hey guys, welcome back. Hi. So you guys have seen this scrappy journal that I made. I did a flip through. I can link that in the description in case you're new here and haven't seen this. So it's not about that journal, but I'm working on a new scrappy journal, and I was just gonna do, oops, I got a little rip. I put this together with just like a notebook, and then just folded it, and now it's the cover. I did a 3-hole pamphlet stitch on the side, added some random papers, and now I'm just gonna start working in it, and I'll do a little bit on camera today, and I'll try to work on it as much as possible on camera so that you guys, maybe it'll give you some inspiration or ideas. I was thinking about adding an inside cover. Nope, I ripped that too short. That's okay, because I will remedy it in just a second. It's a little bit too... Now this journal, the goal really for it is to be kind of rough and raggedy, so if this is kind of cringy for you, this might not be the video for you, because I don't do things perfect in this. Well, I never do, actually. But in this kind of journal specifically, it's really like a real, I guess, almost true junk journal. I will be upcycling and using junk. I'll use some, scraps and stuff. So, anyway, just to get the disclaimer out of the way. So yeah, what are you guys up to today? You have any plans? I'm gonna add a pocket here, probably to cover that up. Let's see. Oh, perfect, you guys. Perfect. I like lots of pockets to put little bits and bobs in. Oh, I didn't do that very perfect, but the name of the game. I'm gonna just distress it a little bit with some fun color. I know I'm out of frame. Here's what I'm using is aged mahogany. I only picked it because it was the first one in my drawer. And this kind of journal for me is just relaxing and not thinking much, just going with it. If you end up making one of these, it helps to let go of that perfectionism, which I kind of am a perfectionist when it comes to a lot of things, not everything. But when I first got into junk journaling just last year, March, let me double check I'm in frame. Yeah, okay. I couldn't even get anything on a page because I was trying to do it so, like, I don't know, traditional and perfect. But it didn't work for me. So as soon as I started just going for it and allowing myself like creative freedom, it became much more fun for me. I really just like let my creative stuff go. Like, I don't know, you know what I mean? So I like to do little washi stuff on here. I'll show you. I do this a lot, or I just add like a little, I have not much room here, but that might not work because it's gonna close my pocket. Scratch that, guys. I could probably do it. Well, I can't do it on like I wanted, so it's gonna go there. Because normally I'll put a little washi on the corners, it's kind of cute, but my idea went to the wayside. So I just have a bunch of scraps sitting next to me. I have like a big scrap bin thingy. And I'm just gonna add stuff to these pages. I can't craft and talk. I'm going with it. So where are you guys tuning in from? How'd you guys find my channel? I love hearing about it. I am filming from Michigan, USA, in the Midwest, as usual. I need my stapler. Oh, where is it? Just kidding, I might not be able to find it. Dang it. Hang on, guys. I really want my stapler. Okay, I'm back. So I have these like old Project Life cards, so they're perfect for putting in these pockets. Right now I'm not gonna probably keep one in there because it's kind of still working, but yeah. Trying to think what else I want to put here. Maybe a label. That might cover up those numbers. Who knows? I was gonna try to make this just a 10-minute video, so I probably won't get much done. We'll see. All right. Why I wanted my stapler was I was gonna add a tab. I'll make a tab out of this. I love tabs and pockets. So I don't know if it's too big right now. It's a little too big. It doesn't even have to really serve a function. I just like the look of it. Sometimes I put my tab right here. Let's see if I can get my stapler in here. There we go. I just like to add little stuff places. All right, so this page isn't gonna be super easy. Maybe, let's see. What can I do to that page? Maybe a corner. I think I'll add a little pocket like that. Just use up some scraps. Hopefully I didn't. Hopefully I didn't glue the wrong sides. I can't tell you how many times I've made pockets sewing or by hand, and I've sewed them completely shut. So let's try out the pocket. Too big. Perfect. So I put a couple things in there. All right. Let me grab some washi. I'm all about the washi in these journals, these junky journals. And not that I don't use it for other stuff, but I don't know. I love adding just a hair of flair. So I'm using this gold. You'll see when I get in frame. But when I use washi, I forgot to mention, I always put like a little glue on it just because, you know, washi's like kind of, it's like weak. I don't know if I want to do much more on this page at the moment. I mean, I always come back and, you know, add things. Let me think, guys. Let me think. Yeah, I can. So I've got some of this, just, I don't know, it's washi, but I use it as decor. I don't take the tape off the back or the paper. I just glue it down. Oh, I have this stuff might look good with the red. This would be a good tab. So many options. Let's see, I'm good with that. Might add just a hair more washi because, you know, why not? I will do the cover at some point. I just gotta double check. I always get so, oh, I gotta move over. Oops, I hope that everything else recorded. Here's a little sticker. Let's see. Show you what I'm working from. This bin, scraps. I'll never use all my scraps, but I like to think I'm working on them, because that's like literally nothing compared to all the scraps I have. Well, I'm gonna flip the page for the second. I can always add more. I'll do this page. I might make this page a little bit more. Let's see. That's a hard page because it's all so white. So let me find some paper to cover that. Could add that to it. This says Michigan Weeds. I love this book because it's, I don't know if this is what I want to do or not. I think this will look better there, but nope, it's not what I want to do. What I want to do is use this fun paper. And what I'm thinking I'm gonna do, we'll see. Sorry, there's just no way to plan this. I have to just kind of think about it as I go. I mean, I guess I could totally plan it, but that's not how I craft. Again, I'm out of frame. Yeah, let's see. So I'm thinking, I think I got an idea. I'm gonna make that a side pocket. But I need to do something here first. So I want something kinda, all right, I want something a little neutral so that I'm not, you know, let's see. That's almost like, oh my gosh, that's like perfect size. It's crazy. All right. So with these kind of journals, I do some vintage, some wonky, some bold. I totally mix it in because I love that style. It is my style. All right, so then I'll have a little side pocket there. Okay. Please, if you're still here, hit the thumbs up. It does help my channel. I'm very excited to report that my channel is almost to 100,000 views. And you guys, I'm not bragging. What I can't believe is that people watch my channel. I'm like dumbfounded. I thought like maybe 100 views here and there, like over the duration of my channel. I can't believe that it's working. And I'm just so grateful for everybody that watches my videos. I can't express. I'm not blowing any sunshine or, you know, I'm just so grateful. I truly belong in the art field, and I don't know if it's a field, but this is where I belong. And to know that it's working in a way is just so exciting. So you guys, I'm adding Fabri-Tac to this, and then I probably am getting close to 10 minutes, so this is hard to do one-handed, so I'll probably have to let you go and then come back and do some more, even though I'm on a roll right now. Well, I feel like I'm on a roll because there's a lot of times I sit down and try to do journaling and it's just not happening. So I like that pocket though. So then here, just to demonstrate, I'll have a cute little, as long as I didn't glue it shut, cute little pocket. Even put stuff, let's see, put stuff this way. Yeah, that's perfect. That way. I love these Project Life cards. I have so many of them, you guys. I'm like really addicted to them. Okay, so we got a little pocket here. I think that page is probably good. Sometimes I'll go through with my Posca markers and add some detail, but I think I'm happy with these pages for today. This one's bugging me if you can't tell, but I'm not really sure what else to add at the moment. It's just not coming to me, so I'm gonna call it a day. We'll work on the cover probably the next time I record, or soon. But here's kind of what the other pages back here look like. These are all just scrap papers. Book page. I did the 3-hole pamphlet stitch, very easy. If you're not familiar with that binding, I do have a video on my channel, which I can link in the description. It's super easy, and I go through it. Oh, here's definite scrap paper. There's like a phone number or something. I go over how to do it, and I feel like I think I did it like 2 or 3 times, so if you need to follow along, you can keep going and follow along. Anyways, well, thank you for hanging out with me today, and I will see you guys later. Bye.